Hello, and welcome to our Capstone B presentation. My name is Joel Brown, and along with my MBA colleagues, we are excited today to talk to you about a new innovation in automotive maintenance. In this short presentation, we're going to go over why current solutions in the marketplace are falling short, the value proposition of this exciting new solution, finances, and several strategic partnerships. But first, let's see if you relate to some of these key moments of struggle while trying to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Imagine it's Monday morning after a really busy weekend. You had the best intentions to take care of your car, get that oil change, and rotate the tires, but it just didn't happen. On your way to work, the check engine light comes on. Uh-oh! You consider dropping off your car on your lunch break, but the workday's busy and there just isn't the time. On the drive home from work, additional check engine lights come on. What do these even mean? Is this serious? Should you get your car fixed right this moment? Can it wait? Who knows? Your schedule's full up. After work, you got to take the kids to soccer practice. When are you going to find the time to fix the car? And tomorrow, the cycle repeats. What if the vehicle repair service could be conducted at your home or office? This concept is one of the key pillars of our new service offering. All right, over to you, Craig.
Joel, thank you for your review of some of the frustrating challenges that many consumers face on a daily basis. My name is Craig Samuel, and I'll be reviewing our value proposition. As frustrating as the situations may be, many may not act, leading to high opportunity costs, high monetary costs associated with not conducting periodic maintenance, increased stress levels when their vehicles act unreliably, and the threat of reduced safety for the individual as well as their family and friends. We seek to save time and money for our target segment by removing many of the items that steal our most valuable resource. Our solution provides an easy way to understand the hieroglyphics on the dashboard, assists locating trusted providers and the scheduling process, ensures flexibility when dropping off and picking up vehicles, and keeping all previous auto records in one centralized location for ease of access. By consolidating these benefits into our solution, we are able to meet the needs of our customers in ways that the competition cannot. Based on our research, we found that customers have 31 pertinent value metrics that we can utilize to improve their auto maintenance needs. In general, almost 90% of consumers feel as though the current solutions for vehicle maintenance do not meet their expectations. Time is a critical resource that shouldn't be wasted. Unfortunately, it's easy to feel as though your time is wasted when trying to keep your vehicle in operating condition. Regardless of your income or the position at your job, you cannot buy more hours in the day. For this reason, our target demographic will be time-strapped working professionals who are willing to pay a premium to reduce the amount of time needed to keep their vehicle running smoothly. Put simply, our solution will help customers save their most precious resource by leveraging our service-based solutions through a convenient application. After a consumer downloads the application, they simply need to tap the app, and our maintenance technicians will come to their location to quickly service their vehicle. Our solution is broken down into two value-generating parts. One, a smartphone-based application that will allow immediate information-based solutions to our customers' needs, and two, our mobile maintenance labor force that will be able to service our customers' Honda vehicle from the convenience of their home or workplace. If you look at the landing page for our application, you'll see some of the features offered. This will include basic account information as well as comprehensive auto records. Maintenance forecasts will be integrated into the application based on analysis of service records. Attempting to navigate confusing dashboard codes will be a thing of the past, as our application will allow consumers to easily identify these warning lights with ease. Customers will also have the ability to schedule service appointments and access Honda's 24/7 support service via the application. Our customers will easily be able to comb through all their service records they have received. Every oil change, tire rotation, and battery replacement that has occurred through our network will be logged into the application, forgoing the need to keep paper copies organized for the vehicle. This comprehensive record can help increase the resale value by documenting a well-cared-for Honda vehicle. Modern vehicles are effectively computers on wheels, with integrated sensors feeding hundreds of details of information to the computer's onboard computer every moment. Our Honda application is designed to utilize the Bluetooth in the customer's phone to link directly with the vehicle, capturing all this data into the cloud to track, quantify, and project on behalf of the customer. This information can be used to make vehicles more fuel efficient, identify areas for improvement in our vehicle design, and project the lifespan of critical parts inside each Honda vehicle. Traditionally, when your vehicle's warning lights come on, you will have a feeling of dread until you're able to locate the owner's manual, translate what the light means, and understand what the issue might be. Our application offers a twofold solution by automatically sending maintenance codes wirelessly and offering a list of symbols consumers can click on to identify exactly what issue they have. This information can help them make a decision on how to best schedule their vehicle servicing. In order to schedule these vehicle services, our application offers a streamlined interface where customers can request specific times for our well-trained maintenance staff to meet them at their home or place of business. This scheduling feature will also give an estimated service time frame calculated from the maintenance record. When the customers schedule this appointment, they will be able to confirm that there is sufficient space and permissions by the owner to conduct maintenance at the requested location. Following scheduling their service, vehicle metrics will be used to calculate a quote tailored specifically to the customer's vehicle. This information, in addition to the estimated time frame, can be used by the customer to decide if maintenance is immediately necessary or can be postponed until more time or funds are available. Customers will have access to speak with a service advisor if they have any questions prior to accepting or rejecting the quote. Our application will have an integrated payment system to allow customers to pay with major debit cards, credit cards, and other popular payment services like Apple Pay and Venmo. This feature will speed the payment process, forgoing the need to wait for our representatives to bill customers. Invoices will be available in the automotive records, so customers have the option to file supporting documentation with their insurance companies for reimbursement. Now I'll be handing things over to Joel to discuss exactly how our mobile fleet will operate.
Now you can receive automotive maintenance service at your home or office. Our fleet of mobile maintenance mechanics are able to provide most repair services conveniently at your location. Service offerings include maintenance, diagnostics, and most repairs. Let's talk about benefits to the customer. These include centralized information for all of their vehicle records, instant access to Honda Specialist and scheduling, the ability to project future costs through our advanced diagnostics tool, and time savings by being able to schedule maintenance at your location. We've developed 4 unique service offerings depending on the unique circumstances of the consumer. The first is a freemium model that's included with the purchase of a new vehicle. The second could be used after the freemium model expires or for existing Honda drivers. The third is a premium subscription. We'll talk more about that in a minute. And the fourth is an option for those consumers who are not interested in purchasing an annual membership. The ability to provide mobile maintenance is going to add to Honda's cost structure, so the purpose of the subscription is to offset those costs. With the subscription, consumers will receive up to 3 mobile services, service forecasting, messaging with an advisor, 5% off service fees, and mobile service scheduling. When we look at the premium annual subscription, we're increasing the number of mobile services to 5, adding an additional 5%, so 10% off service fees, and reducing the cost of future mobile maintenance should they require more than 5. When we look at the ad hoc individual service pricing, we plan to charge $50 in addition to the normal repair cost. We'll also provide an option for Honda drivers to opt in for the Smart app for $50, in which they will receive access to mobile scheduling and maintenance forecasting. Honda is one of the most trusted brands in the automotive industry. By adding a more convenient service option, we plan to retain existing customers and attract new business. We recently conducted 2 quantitative surveys assessing the demand of individual features included with this new service offering. Overall, we're able to determine that consumers have a higher willingness to pay when additional value is added in this service offering. Let's take a closer look. First, we looked at ease of scheduling. Survey respondents showed a clear preference towards having a multifaceted scheduling approach. Our Smart app can deliver on this. In addition, we also looked at preferences for service location. It's no surprise to us, but the results came in and showed a clear preference towards having this service conducted at your home or office compared to competing solutions. We also looked at maintenance forecast preferences. Survey respondents showed a clear preference to being able to predict when their next service is required. Now let's talk finances. Over to you, Marijana.
Thank you, Joel. I'm Marijana Ruiz, and today I will cover the money talk part of our innovation pitch. Now, talking about finances could be a little dry, so I figured I would kick us off with something a little lighthearted. Now, in all seriousness, as yawn-inducing it might seem, number crunching and solid financial projections that are based on available data and on reasonable assumptions definitely beats a coin toss. So today I want to talk to you about three key things, and they are revenue assumptions, projected costs, and profitability for our proposed innovation. So let's look at revenue assumptions first and 3 steps we took to determine our customer base. So in step 1, we looked at unit sales data in the United States going back to 2014 to today. We see that we are in the 1.6 million units annually. Now for current year and projected out 3 years, given the unavoidable economic downturn that we're facing, we're assuming pretty flat sales. In step 2, in projecting our revenue, we looked at the population density in the United States and the concentration of Honda drivers in our service area. So our target market lives more in the busy and densely populated metropolitan areas and the adjacent suburban areas. So based on the units sold and the distribution of our segmented target population, we project that 2/3 of Honda drivers live in the targeted service area. Now in step 3, we estimated initial target segment uptake. So given the number of Honda drivers that live in our service area, we estimated that our targeted segment of busy professionals with a disposable income will be 5% in the initial years of our rollout. So now we've modeled this with a higher percent uptake, but we feel that 5% is a very good conservative estimate, and we would like to go with that. Now we looked at revenue. Now let's look at the costs, which we've divided into 2 main buckets. The first bucket is our development costs. Now we will have to develop and deploy a smart app. We have to purchase a mobile fleet of utility vehicles, and those vehicles will have to be outfitted with appropriate equipment and tooling. And we will have a substantial marketing campaign to introduce our new service. So the second bucket will be our ongoing operating costs, which will be app upkeep and support, our mobile fleet fuel and upkeep costs, recurring marketing costs, our mobile mechanic travel time, and customer service time. So we looked at our revenue, we look at our costs. Now let's put them together to look at profitability projections. So we are targeting 25% profit margin for this innovation. Here's a 3-year projection. So our profit margin in year 1 is at 20%. Year 2, we reach or exceed our target, 27%. And in year 3, we're at 26%. Now in year 1, we fall a little short because we're making a substantial investment into our marketing campaign. And in year 3, we dip a little because we propose to keep our price points the same while we expect 3% cost escalation. Now let's look at our return on capital investment and how that looks. So initially, we're going to develop an app, and we're going to invest in our mobile fleet, and necessary tooling for those utility vans. So that initial investment is $7.4 million, and we expect to earn that back within 2 years of service. So in year 1, our projected profit was $2.6 million, and in year 2 is $5.7 million. So we definitely exceed our initial investment. So now that I've showcased a profitable business model for our innovation, I would like to turn it over to my colleague Julia to present several other important aspects of our proposal. Thank you.
Thanks for the financial overview, Marijana. I'm Julia Hanke, and I'm going to talk about our key resources, partners, risk mitigation, and social opportunities. Some of our key internal resources include our corporate sponsor, helping us get executive committee buy-in, IT, who will integrate existing vehicle computer data with our new maintenance app, engineering, who will incorporate design efficiencies across future models enabling easier maintenance service, marketing, providing messaging and promotions to bring in new customers, and human resources, helping bring in additional resources as the program expands. Some of our key external resources include dealership franchises. They will benefit from increased vehicle sales and service demand. Our application developer will integrate driving and service data into one handy resource. Our parts suppliers will partner in robust supply of common parts, enabling service on demand. And major national employers providing on-site vehicle maintenance as an employee benefit. We acknowledge that often every step of the way in business can bring challenges and risks. A few of our focus areas for risk mitigation are app development, part suppliers, dealer franchises, and employer partners. To mitigate developer risks, we understand that app development can be challenging, and we recognize that. We will work with our developers to roll out features in a phased approach, starting with scheduling. We will then add maintenance record keeping, and finally maintenance forecasting based on the linked vehicle data. We also recognize that adding a new maintenance program might not initially seem appealing to our dealership franchisees. Honda Corporate will provide incentives to dealerships through leasing program for maintenance fleet vehicles and to share market research data on customer interest, as well as forecast increased sales figures to entice franchisee buying. In order to provide stellar on-demand service to our customers, we need to ensure rock-solid part supply chain, managing our suppliers through detailed contracts that include key performance indicators and guaranteed volumes that will meet the demands of the mobile maintenance program. Some major employers provide robust on-site benefits for their employees to make life easier. For those employers that may not be able to provide on-site maintenance, we will instead partner with corporate discount programs that will offer incentives to join the Honda Mobile Maintenance Program. In order to attract interest in the mobile maintenance program, we've identified multiple marketing channels that will help attract consumers with busy lifestyles. Employee benefit programs, our existing social media channels, nationwide auto shows, and new car sales all have the potential to attract our customers that have busy lifestyles. Finally, we at Honda recognize that having a reliable vehicle can be a significant barrier to employment. That's why we've decided to partner with the Goodwill Wheels to Work program, where individuals and families in need have access to purchase reliable used vehicles with special low monthly interest-free payments through Goodwill. We will enable our mobile maintenance customers to donate a tax-deductible amount to Goodwill's Wheels to Work program, in addition to an annual fund drive to capture donations outside of the mobile maintenance program. We have also arranged a streamlined donation option to allow customers the choice to donate their old vehicle at the time of a new vehicle purchase instead of a trade-in. We are also excited to work with our partner to provide job opportunities through mechanic internships, while also building our mechanic pipeline to serve growth of the mobile maintenance program. We believe that increased participation and social awareness through our partnership with Goodwill will help differentiate our brand from competing solutions and generate positive consumer association with our brand. The Honda Mobile Maintenance Program is designed to keep busy people adventuring with their loved ones and not worrying about the car stuff. We'd like to thank you for your time and open the floor to any questions.